Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a visual brand guide with Visme, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a visual brand guide with Visme, begin by signing in to your Visme account. If you do not have an account, create one by choosing the appropriate plan that fits your needs. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the Create button. In the drop-down menu, select Brand Kit to start developing your visual brand guide. Choose a template that resonates with your brand style or start with a blank canvas. Upload your brand logo and any other visual assets that represent your brand identity. Next, select your brand color palette you can choose from pre-made palettes or create your own by inputting specific hex codes. After that, define your typography selections by selecting fonts that align with your brand voice. Visme provides a wide range of fonts, so take your time to choose ones that best fit your visual narrative. Once you've curated your color and typography, move on to define your imagery style. Decide if your brand images will be photographic, illustrative, or a mix, and gather sample visuals that align with your choices. Next, create sections within the brand guide to present each element clearly. Label these sections such as logo usage, color palette, typography, and imagery. In the logo usage section, specify how your logo should and shouldn't be used. Include examples for clarity, such as correct spacing and placement. In the color palette section, provide visual swatches of each color along with their corresponding hex codes. For typography, include heading styles, body text, and any special character usage. In the imagery section, show examples of the types of images that reflect your brand's personality. Once your content is organized, review the brand guide for consistency and clarity. Make any needed adjustments to ensure a cohesive aesthetic throughout. When you are satisfied with the design, click on the Download button to save your guide. You can choose to download it as a PDF or share it directly via a link. Finally, keep your brand guide updated as your brand evolves over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.